Hi guys, let's start the installation of the Shelly 1PM to control a light. Safety first, so we need to check if there is current on the cables. Just check all the entrances. Be sure there's no current so you don't get any shock. Well, to install Shelly 1PM near the light, we'll need a new line cable that will connect from the electric box to the zone of the light. So you will need to pass a cable through there, and I'm going to simulate that here. I'm sure it's pretty easy to do it here, and it will be very hard to do at home because normally there are not that many space, so you'll just need a guide to get your cable through there. Since the Shelly needs a line and a neutral, you'll need these two cables minimum. Yeah, I'm going to use a junction because I'll need two, since the Shelly 1PM reads can measure the current when the device is connected. It needs two separate lines for it to be able to read it. For instance, if you have a Shelly 1, the connection will be pretty much the same, but with one line less, because there's no measure. Yeah, you just need to connect it to line 1 and line inputs on the Shelly. It's done. Now I'll need a neutral, so I'll just make a junction, and I'll use the same that's connecting the light. It will now connect the light and the Shelly. Now we are going to connect one to the light, as I was saying, and another to the Shelly. Yeah, just connect it to the neutral. It's marked with an N. Shelly's output and input is pretty straightforward. Now we'll just need a switch cable that's connecting directly to the light, and we'll need to connect it to the Shelly, to the switch input. This will make the Shelly capable of knowing when the state changes on the manual switch. This allows you to control the light from the switch independently from the the application of the Shelly from your mobile. You can turn it on one of each and turn it off on the other. There will be never a problem of concurrency. Now everything's connected. We just need to test it. I won't explain the configuration of the Shelly on the Shelly app, because I think the instructions from Shelly are very straightforward, so you just need to use them. Here I have it already configured, and I'll just demonstrate how it works. This is the application, and this is the light, meaning this Shelly. So I can turn it on manually, turn it off, turn it on the application. Yeah. I can turn it off on the manual switch. Everything's independent because the Shelly makes it so. Yeah, there's a bit of a delay on the application for you to know the state of the light, but it's normal. It's just a way to save some consumption, electric consumption. And this is it. Thanks for watching.